Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to read and edit files on Linux. So in order to show that, we have to of course open our terminal, so we'll go into apps and choose our terminal. And first of all, we need to create our file. How to do it, I showed it in the how to create files video, so we can do it like this with touch and file, for example .txt. This is a text file, and how can we read it? We read files basically by using a command cat. Right now the file is empty, so nothing will appear, but we will change it. How to change it? We can edit our file with the Nano command, so we use Nano, and then the name of our file, so the file .txt. We'll press enter, and as you can see we have a file editor. And how to use it? First of all, we can write something, so for example test file, and now we have to save that. How to save that? Here you have all the options. You can basically read it, but we have to press Ctrl on our keyboard and O at the same moment. Then press enter. As you can see, file name to write file.txt. Now enter, and now we have to press Ctrl and X to exit it. So Ctrl and X, and we exited our file editor. And now again we can display it, and as you can see, it is our test file. We can create files in two different ways. We can basically skip the touch command and use Nano at the beginning. So Nano file to.txt, and straight away we can move to our file editor and run. And now we can type something. So I will type, for example, maybe file to test, and again Ctrl and O, enter, and Ctrl and X, and we can again display it. So cat file.txt, as you can see, file test is appearing, so everything is okay. And now we have one more option. We can use basically an echo command, and right now we can type in what we want to save in our file. Maybe I will show you that we have only two files right here, the file 2 and the file that we created. And now we will create the third file, so echo, and now we will type in what we want to save in that. So for example test. We will close it, and now we can we have to write the sign like this, and that means that we want to save this text into the file that we will name, for example test.txt, and press enter. And now, as you can see, the test.txt is here, and we can basically read it by the cat command. And as you can see, our test is saved in that file. So that will be all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.